Okay, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I have the final video in the Paw Patrol series. So what would the Paw Patrol be without Ryder? So he's going to be the last in this series. Again, I'm going to show you guys the materials and then I'm going to speed through it. Again, like the other ones, I have a sheer black, a sheer white, and a sheer gray for highlights, lowlights, and shading. Again, using Licorice for black and 15030 for the white. I have 1612, a light blue, 1507 I'm going to use for his skin. And I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of highlighting on that. 1624 for his eyes. 1543 for the inside of his mouth. And that's that. And also, again, just like the other ones, 2 coats of matte top coat. Unfortunately, this one doesn't. The bottles all say 16 on them, but like there's usually like a sticker, but this one doesn't have a sticker, it just is matte top coat. So yeah, and also again, my 7mm detail brush. So yeah, I'm going to speed through this and I'll see you guys at the end. All right, so there he is, all finished up and matte top coated. So he completes off the series, Mr. Ryder, the leader of the Paw Patrol. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little hand-painted series that I did. If you have any suggestions of other ones you would like to see, leave them in the comments down below. But anywho, I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.